In spring, the sun was shining, the birds were singing, the days were getting longer and warmer. But now winter is creeping in. Those days are getting shorter. It was frosty last night. Our mood will be understandably different. But we know that we can unite around a commonality and a shared passion for wildlife. And that's why SIBC is coming back.
Yeah, of course it is. It has to, doesn't it really? Because it united us so much to love the wildlife on our doorstep. It provided escapism, it boosted our moods, and it boosted our mental health. So we're going to be back once a week, and you can keep up to date with all the timings and the dates of that coming very soon on our Twitter and Instagram. And please like our YouTube too, because we will be there and see you very shortly.
Okay, see you soon.
Stay safe, everyone.